SP, so we have 6 dried coconut right here, so yeah, just pick them from the tree, you know. I have more from the tree also. Yeah man, breeze feel good. Yeah, New Year breeze. Yeah, so I'm gonna get them chip out now. I'm gonna chop 2. Yes, people, today, I have a video. I'm gonna make some dip and fall back. So all the people them are long time people them and all people. We know what me attack. One name dip and fall back. Me soon tell me attack. Soon tell the name everybody know. I go and chip out them here first. So all who know, my attack can leave in the comments. Yeah. Soon tell the name everybody familiar with. Alright, so I go on there 2 nice dry coconut. Yeah, so them 2 I'm gonna use. Alright guys, so see the coconut here. So I'm telling you what I'm gonna do now. I'm saying dip and fall back. So all the person them are the long time person them, that's all people. I'm saying all people. Anyways, all the big people them know matter dip and fall back. Right? Dip and fall back are run down. Coconut run down. You can use salt mackerel or you can use saltfish. Right? But I use saltfish. Nice guys. Whoa. Well, what a waste. So, rundown is a dish made from coconut, right? Boil with all the seasons, say boil down and form a crusted like. Very nice peeps. So, me soon tell you why the name dip and fall back, you know. Yeah, soon tell you why the name so. So, I'm going to know why the name dip and fall back. Can't with the water here, you know. Can't wait it. So I'm doing the good coconut piece from link on the back and show you what's up. Guys, I would recommend dig out the coconut near Amigle because I miss right near Amigle. So if you can like this, put it down on the table. Or while the coconut and dish towel safe it slip, it drop the dish towel and it Amigle. See? Nice coconut, nice native dry coconut, you know. That piece here, I put it down my ear so I'm not gonna the kind of hard to do. Get the wash off. I think I done it a bit clean. Yeah man guys, yeah. So nice coconut, you know. Native coconut. Yeah man, so I get them grater now. See the grater here? Yeah man, so I get it started out now. Some people say, why not blend it? It's in a grated coconut, I get more from it. I did the original way today, grater it. Alright guys, so I listen guys. Yeah man, all grater and thing. Yeah man. Yeah, there's small pieces in here, but I don't want to grate up my finger. So yeah. So it look nice, fluffy and nice. So I get this straight and thing I know. Oh, the richness the guys. Yeah, rich. Yeah man, so want it rich. Rich and nice. Alright peeps, see there? Rich, nice, native coconut milk. Yeah man. So today guys might do it the original way, the authentic way. I now use the coconut powder. Yeah, so I get the fire started now. Put on the coconut milk to go and boil. That is it. Yeah man guys, pot on pan fire now. So we saltfish here so already boil up already and thing. Maggi powder season, you don't know, Jamaican national season. We have one sweet pepper, we have onion, one Scotch pepper, you don't know, scallion and thyme. And we have plantain right here so. So also some plantain boiled dumpling with the rundown. Yeah man, so it's all our ingredients them guys we will use. Blackbirds them out. Yeah man guys, so I go on there. Wow. Coconut milk boil up, so soon time to show you the ingredients them night. So get the stuff in clean and prep. As I said before. Sweet pepper guys. One onion. What else something clean and properly, you know. Yeah. Yeah, outside my do chicken there, yeah. And for sure in everything, you know, guys. Time no. So now do know. I can't take it off fire for a minute. Until I'm done. Prep because I don't want to do it no more, you know. Bringing in closer, I'm going to see what I go on. See there? So what you gotta do and prep your season. But you can go over there so. Saltfish time I know. To deal with it. Alright, so I'm showing some pimento berry. So I deal with saltfish our season, all cut up. You can got much season man. Then add in the Maggi season. Alright. Yeah man guys, this land, man, I'm to boil out no more because I don't want to boil out and then it get too less and can't share to everybody. Yeah man, this land, we dip and fall back land. So I explain why we call it dip and fall back now. Yeah, so I explain all big people on the channel can just leave a comment and tell me why we call it dip and fall back. Yeah man. So I explain to all the young people them know why we call it dip and fall back. Yeah man guys, so see them now, I'm gonna say dip and fall back. All this guys are oil, natural oil. Natural oil. Natural oil. Alright. Dip and fall back. Well, the name said all guys. So normally guys, we share it in a bowl and put it in the middle of the table, and everybody will dip them food in it, them starchy food like them banana, you know, yam and them something there. Then take a dip, hide and fall back and make someone take a dip and fall back. So that's what we call it, dip and fall back. Yeah man, or run down, commonly known as run down, because everybody knows run down. Yeah man, so I eat that. Yeah man, that done. So I get the plantain them now, cut up and clean up and thing and put that inside. Yeah. See cool, cool before I finish. So I have to put it inside. Yeah man. I was really run down, maybe want to show you guys because this is the price position right now. Everybody don't know dumpling boil already and all that, so I put it inside now. So I'm done now and share and show you what I go on. Dumpling done make a now. Yeah man guys, see it here? Yeah, I would say we dip and fall back with dumpling and plantain. That is it guys. So the gain of this right now, they make some strong food, you know.